Sa pig, ang problema nila, they have the year breaker. So sila yung pinakamalungkot next year, no? Sila yung super emo, super drama. If you're a pig, please avoid this. If it's a problem, then it's a problem. They have this kind of bad stars na you tend to actually make inis other people. Baka kahit yung mga kaibigan nyo or pamilya nyo, baka hindi kayo matake as good as it is, no? So if you're a pig and there is something that you wanted to open up, keep your mouth shut. Because the more that you get to be negative or that you get to be so emotional, the more nagagamitin ito ng tao against you. So it's best na be nonchalant actually for the pig. Be careful of your expenses, no? Because the pig this year had a very good year, no? The pig this year, you really have gained so much. Meron kayong smooth life this year. Baka ma-overcalculate nyo because you have great consumer effect, no? So ibig sabihin nito, malaki ang perang mawawala. Baka ma-over kayo ng bili, over shopping, or ma-exceed ninyo yung budget at mag-cause ito ng malaking problema sa finances ninyo, no? So be very careful of whatever you actually spend on, okay?